mortal remains of former late Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has reached Nigam Bodh Ghat, and in fact you can see in your visuals that the convoy is reaching. The security is beefed up over here. It is in frame. You can see that all the senior leaders have arrived already over here. Mallikarjun Kharge is also here. The Congress President Sonia Gandhi is also here. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, all have arrived, and in fact now this is the last journey of our late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh that will be ending over here at Nigam Bodh Ghat with full state honours. Indian Navy's band, Indian Army's band, all are present over here, and in fact he will be cremated with full state honours. And in fact, as we were also mentioning about the legacy that he was carrying, and in fact as you know our colleague was also reporting and in fact stating the fact that he was not the man who spoke a lot, his actions spoke a lot, and in fact today that is why in fact India, while it is en route to become the third country, the third largest economy of the world, it was because at the time when Manmohan Singh in the year 1991 had also helped in building a strong foundation of Indian economy as far as the economical reforms are concerned. And in fact, not just that, we were all the economist or the economist also talk about the budget that he introduced in the year 1991 and from 1991 to 1996 during the PV Narasimha Rao regime. And in fact, if that particular budget had not been introduced, if those reforms were not introduced, today we would neither have been this strong economy, being on fifth in the world, and in fact not in fact also could even think of getting third, building up for the third largest economy as well. And in fact, not just that, if we talk about him, you see in your visuals the mortal remains have reached over here. It is, and in fact apart from that, if we talk about his entire political career as well, people do not just remember him as only the Prime Minister, but he was someone, you know, who always was a calm leader, who was a very senior leader. And in fact also you see the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi himself also called him as a mentor. And not just that, because you also see he was such a Prime Minister who was not in fact who was not a religious leader, who was not a spiritual guru, who was not even a billionaire. In fact, he was the one in fact, you know, who he was the one in fact who had great relations, not just here with the politicians, but also in fact you see with but also in fact with the but also great international relations as well. Now you see in our frame the mortal remains have come over here at Nigam Bodh Ghat, and now the final rites will be conducted over here with full state honours. Back to you.
Lights!